Hello and welcome back to our channel. I am Taha. And you are watching Daily Forex News YouTube channel. Hopefully you all will be fine. Let's start. Dollar dips after retail roar. Hey Forex fans, buckle up for a market roller coaster. The dollar's feeling a bit wobbly today, taking a breather after a strong run fueled by robust US retail sales. Let's unpack the market mayhem. Dollar's dynamite fizzles. The greenback started strong, pumped up by data showing Americans splashing more cash than expected. This fueled fears of delayed Fed rate cuts, keeping the dollar near a one-month high. But wait, there's more. Data overload ahead. Today's a data buffet: jobless claims, permits, housing starts, even Philly Fed manufacturing. It's enough to give an economist indigestion. But this info could sway the Fed's appetite for rate hikes, impacting the dollar's swagger. Inflation ignites sterling. Across the pond, the pound's feeling fiery. UK inflation unexpectedly climbed, surprising everyone like a hot pepper in their tea. This means the Bank of England might stay hawkish longer than its buddies, boosting sterling against the dollar. Euro edgy, yen eyes inflation. Meanwhile, the euro's stuck in neutral, still pondering ECB boss Lagarde's summer rate cut hint, later than markets hoped. And the yen? It's waiting anxiously for tomorrow's inflation data, hoping it confirms the downward trend and gives the bodge an excuse to keep its easy money party going. Yuan woes deepen. In Asia, the yuan's feeling blue, sinking to its lowest in 2 months. China's sluggish growth and the box limited support aren't exactly sunshine and rainbows for the currency. Stay tuned, stay ahead, don't miss out on the next market twist. Watch Daily Forex News for expert analysis, spicy insights, and all the financial tools you need to navigate this wild ride. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the Forex world, it's your golden ticket to staying ahead of the curve. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more new updates.